Today we're making cute biscuit hair sticker.
Trace the hair patch size. Then draw your design. Or get the templates in our Unicorn member portal. Cut to pieces for the biscuit base. Blanket stitch them together. Leave a gap for the fillings. We just need to make it slightly puffy, so there will be 3D texture later on. Sew the gap close. Now sew tiny X's to make the biscuit texture. Make sure to pull the sewing tight to kind of squeeze it in. See the texture? No worries about the messy back. Now just glue on the face. Make sure you glue it onto the flat surface. Use glue gun for better grip. Lastly, just trim off the excess of the hair patch. I made 2. Which one is your favorite? Thanks for watching.